Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging radical equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. We'll write all the terms to LHS first. So we can write 2 times x plus 1 minus 2 times square root x times x plus 8 plus square root x plus 8 minus square root x equal to 0. Now we'll talk about domain of the equation. So our radicands must be non-negative. X plus 8 must be non-negative. X must be non-negative. So we'll write conditions. X should be greater than or equal to 0. X should be less than or equal to minus 8. From here we'll get x should be greater than or equal to minus 8. From here we'll get x should be greater than or equal to 0. We'll take intersection of these conditions and we will get x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we'll be using substitutions. Let's say square root x plus 8 suppose equal to u and square root x suppose this is equal to v. So we'll write here u square plus v square, which will be equal to x plus 8 plus x equal to 2x plus 8, and 8 can be written as 2 plus 6. We will write u square plus v square equal to 2x plus 2 plus 6. So I can write our equation u square plus v square equal to 2 times in bracket x plus 1 plus 6. So we can find 2 times x plus 1 in terms of u and v will be equal to u square plus v square minus 6, which we are going to plug in over here. So we can write u square plus v square minus 6. Then we have minus 2 times u times v. This is 2 times square root x plus 8 as per substitution. Then we have plus square root x plus 8, which is u, minus square root x, which is v, equal to 0. Now we will write u square plus v square minus 2uv in one bracket. Then we have plus u minus v. Then we have minus 6 equal to 0. Or we can write u minus v whole square plus u minus v minus 6 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation in u minus v. So let us assume u minus v equal to a. So our equation will become a square plus a minus 6 equal to 0. Remember, a is u minus v and u is square root x plus 8, v is square root x. Now we will solve a square minus a minus 6 equal to 0. Let me write here a square plus a minus 6 equal to 0. We will factor and we can write a minus 2 times a plus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write either a minus 2 equal to 0 or a plus 3 equal to 0. So from first equation we will get a equal to 2. From second equation we will get a equal to negative 3. Now a was u minus v. U was square root x plus 8 and v was square root x. So here we can write square root x plus 8 minus square root x equal to 2. This is our equation 1. And for minus 3, we'll write second equation square root x plus 8 minus square root x equal to minus 3. Now, if we will solve second equation first, this equation, then for real numbers where x is greater than or equal to 0, square root x plus 8 would be always greater than square root x. So left hand side must be greater than 0. Right hand side is negative, which is not possible in real numbers. So for second equation, no real solutions will be there. No real solutions for equation number 2. Now we have to solve our first equation. Square root x plus 8 minus square root x equal to 2. Square root x plus 8 minus square root x equal to 2. We'll be squaring both sides. So we'll write part 2 over here and part 2 in RHS. Now we'll be using a minus b whole square identity in left hand side. Square of square root x plus 8, x plus 8. Square of square root x, x minus 2 times square root of x times square root x plus 8. We can write x times x plus 8 because both numbers are positive, equal to 2 square, which is 4. We'll write here 2x plus 8 minus 2 times square root x times x plus 8 equal to 4. Now we will take 8 to the RHS. So we can write 2x minus 2 square root x times x plus 8 will be equal to 4 minus 8 equal to minus 4. Equation is divisible by 2. We will divide both sides by 2. So we will get x minus square root x times x plus 8 equal to minus 4 over 2 minus 2. We'll take minus 2 to the LHS and this minus square root term to the RHS. So we can write x plus 2 will be equal to square root x times x plus 8. Now we have single square root in RHS, so we can consider squaring for the last time. I will write here x plus 2 whole square. In RHS, we will put whole square root and square will get over. So we have x plus 2 whole square equal to x times x plus 8. Let me write here x plus 2 whole square equal to x times x plus 8. We'll use a plus b whole square and we can write x square plus 4x plus 4. This will be equal to x square plus 8 times x, 8x. We'll subtract x square from both the sides. So x square term will get over. We will write 4x plus 4 equal to 8x. Now we will subtract 4x from both the sides. Now plus 4x minus 4x will cancel out. We will get 4 equal to 8x minus 4x is 4x. Now we have to divide by 4 only to get the only real solution. 4 over 4 is 1. So our answer becomes x equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Now we can cross verify also. So I will write here check x equal to 1. Equation is here. Let's put x equal to 1. So we will get 2 times 1 plus 1 minus 2 times square root 1 in bracket 1 plus 8. This is our LHS. Let's write RHS also. Square root 1 minus square root 1 plus 8. We can write 9. So here we have 2 times 2, 4 minus 2 times square root 9. It is 3 equal to 1 minus 3. So we'll get 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. From here, we'll get minus 2 equal to minus 2, which is true in real numbers. So our solution x equal to 1 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.